Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And recently I noticed the rubber piece fell off my keyboard. So these pieces to keep the keyboard from slipping and sliding on a desk. And so I went to the website. It was about $2 for the part. I called customer service and they said they couldn't send it to me for free, but I can go to the website and order. So it was $2. Plus, by the time he got done with shipping, I think it was almost $14. And I said, that's ridiculous. So I had forgotten, I have this rubberized splicing tape. And if you get any kind of rubberized material and you just cut it in there, very inexpensive. You could do it yourself and you don't even need to go and buy these pieces. It fit in perfectly. And now when the keyboard sits and I open that up, so here, let me show you again, it's on this side. You can see that there. It just stays perfectly. And then that just resolves the issue. So just thought I would just share this little shortcut. If you do have any rubberized legs that do come off, you can buy it. I even saw it on Amazon, but I thought it was like around $8. So depending upon the cost of the tape, if you already have it, then, or you could find something very inexpensive with a rubberized material, that would definitely save you money, and it works. So I just thought I would just share this with you. Love this keyboard. I've had it since 2015 and almost 5 years now, and absolutely love it. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.